Hi there everyone, Mick here. I've just noticed on the page a problem which I thought would crop up eventually. It can confuse people and leave them a bit bemused as to what's happened, so I thought I'd explain it. And that somebody took a picture with flash and noticed a black bar or black line across the bottom of their picture. So I thought I'd explain what's happening. It's called the wrong shutter speed. Now if you look in your manual for your camera, they're mostly pretty much the same, but they do vary. Your manufacturer gives you a top shutter sync speed to use with a flash. Now what that means is you can't use a flash beyond this, faster than this, and it's because of the way a shutter works. Now if you look here, I've done a quick mock-up of how things work. Your shutter isn't actually one piece, it's got what is called two curtains. Now up to say a 2/50th of a second, if that is your shutter sync speed, what happens is the first shutter opens, as you can see, exposing the sensor. Once it's reached the end of its travel, the second curtain comes across and closes and covers the sensor. Now faster than this is too fast for the curtains to carry out this operation. So what they do, as you can see in the second part of the video, is the first curtain starts to move. Once it's exposed a small part of the sensor, the second curtain starts to follow it. So what in actual fact it does is it makes one narrow strip that sweeps across the sensor. So of course if your flash, because the flash is so good at freezing movement, if your flash goes off while they're in the middle of doing this, which is going to be anywhere above your flash sync speed, what you're actually going to capture is one of the curtains covering part of the sensor, because all you've got available to you is this narrow gap. So the only way you can guarantee not to get this black panel across your picture when you're using flash is to not go above the manufacturer's recommended flash sync speed for your model, and that's why you get black on your picture. Hope that helps. Thanks a lot.